Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to ban someone from your Facebook page. If you want to ban someone on your Facebook page, first of all go into your Facebook app, open your app. Now here you have to click on the top of the site of the right side, three lines. Click on this and go into your Android hacks. As my channel is Android hacks, and also page is Android hacks, I have to go here and click on, now scroll aside and go into more button. Click on more button. Now you have to scroll down and here you will see setting option. Now click on setting option. Now here you will see people and other pages option. Click on people and other pages option. Now people who like this page, if now you have to go here, and if you want to ban someone from your Facebook page, just click on ban and click on OK. After clicking on OK, you will see that he has been banned from my Facebook page. So if you see the list, go into your third option, and here you will see that you have banned this person from your Facebook page. So like this you can ban someone from your Facebook page. Thanks for watching.